Welcome everyone to another video, and today in this video I like to share you guys how to customize your any Android phone just look like a Android 12. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Okay, so at first talk about which app we needed to make your any smartphone look like a Android 12. Alright, so at first go to your Play Store and download and install KWGT Custom Widget Maker, then KWGT Custom Widget Pro key. Next, Android 12 clock widgets. Android 12 clock widgets you can get lot of clock, just like a colorful and black and white. Our next application Android 12U for KWGT. Android 12U for KWGT you can get lot of widgets, 35 widgets you can get this application, which come with very colorful Android 12 widgets like calendar, clock, weather, message, email, storage, battery health and music and etc. For Android 12 wallpaper I am using phone walls stock wallpaper. This application you can get almost every smartphone 4K resolution wallpaper. Just you have to search Android 12 and you can get high resolution Android 12 wallpaper. And last one I am using Nova launcher for the launcher. So how to add this beautiful Android 12 which is on your any Android smartphone? So at first remove the all application on your home screen and tap on the middle and select widgets and you can find out Android 12 clock. So now you can select any one clock and put in your home screen. Then if you want to add too many widgets on your home screen, then again tap on your middle home screen, then tap on widgets and select KWGT any widgets. Next you have to tap on KWGT widgets and select Android 12 for KWGT. Here you can get too many widgets, just select any one and customize on your way, then put in your home screen. So you just have to basic knowledge about KWGT, then you can easily customize these widgets on your way. Our next video is how to customize your any Android phone look like a iOS. So today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and sub the channel. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.